Alright guys, I'm going to run my pick one here, 8:41 p.m. January 13th. We are going to go live. I will type live on the post. We are live, 8:41 p.m. 8:41 p.m. We are going to grab our list. Thank you for the quick fill. 8 spots. We will copy that list into random. 8 entries, Doug on top and John on the bottom. Alright, we're going to roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. 3, it's not enough. We're going to roll again. And we have an 8. We're going 8 times. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times. Dice shows an 8. Next click wins. Good luck. And 8. Congrats to Joe. Spot number 3. You are the winner. Get in touch with me. I will get you your bobblehead. We are done. 8:42 p.m. Go back. We will type done. We are done. 8:42 p.m. 8:42 p.m. Timestamp verification code.